If you love rich, spicy restaurant-style paneer, this Kadai Paneer is about to become your favorite comfort dish. Start by roasting coriander seeds, cumin, dry red chilies and peppercorns and crush them into a coarse aromatic Kadai Masala. Sauté onions, capsicums and tomato on high heat and set them aside. In the same pan, heat oil and a little ghee and finely chopped onions and cook until golden. Add ginger garlic paste, then tomato puree and cook until the oil separates. Now add turmeric, red chili powder, salt and 2 spoons of freshly made kadai masala. Stir in some fresh cream and crushed kasuri methi for richness. And add back the sauteed onions, capsicum, tomato and paneer cube. Sprinkle a bit more kadai masala for the authentic dhaba flavor. Let it simmer for 2-3 minutes on low flame. Garnish with fresh coriander and ginger julienne. Your Dhaba-Style Kadai Paneer is ready. Perfect with roti, naan or jeera rice. Try this out and let me know. And yes, like, share and subscribe for more.